If you've decided to close your YouTube account, follow these steps to ensure the process is completed correctly. This guide will walk you through the necessary actions to delete your account. Step 1. Sign into YouTube. Log into your YouTube account using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account you wish to close. Step 2. Access account settings. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your account settings page. Step 3. Navigate to Advanced Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Advanced Settings option. Click on it to access more detailed account options. Step 4. Delete your channel. Scroll down to find the option that says Delete Channel. Click on this option, and you may be prompted to re-enter your password for security purposes. Step 5. Confirm deletion. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm that you want to delete your channel. Make sure to read any warnings about losing your content and data before finalizing the deletion. Once you have completed these steps, your YouTube account will be closed. Remember that this action is permanent, and you will lose all your videos, comments, and subscriptions.